Today we're going to do a video of the Bostitch Hammer Tacker. Hammer Tackers are great for putting, if you want to hammers like a tack, a thumb tack or a clip. Like these ones right here in the back, they come in different configurations, right? Then you have the hammer here, and the way it does is come here up close. So this is the end result, right? So if you want to attach, let's say you want to attach a poster on a piece of wood or any other, like what we have here on the floor, which is it's a banner. You want to attach it to a piece of wood, or you want to attach it to wood. You put the whatever you want to do right here. Let's say you want to do this right here, and then with just one hammer, it's there. You see? The harder you do it, the deeper it happens. You see right here, I did it real hard, so it went real deep. And on here, I didn't do it so hard, so it stayed. It's not flush like this one. So that's essentially what a hammer tacker does, and it's super recommended for doing a quick installation of anything you want using temporary staples.